Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Learn with Yuli. Today we are doing some stretches post leg day that are very helpful to release the tension and the pressure that gets created when we lift heavy weights, especially in our hips, hamstrings, legs, and sometimes I even feel it in my lower back. So let's get started. First, we're going to use this roller. Mine's pink because I'm a girly girl, and we're just going to roll out our legs. Place the foam roller right under your legs, and we're just going to be doing this rolling motion up and down and really get into this. Whoo. If you're really sore, this will probably hurt, but I promise you, all that built up lactic acid will leave and it'll be very helpful. Let's do right here too. Oh my God. Whoo. I just did a little bit of boxing, so definitely feel it. Oh. Okay. All right, now we're switching positions, front of our legs. All right, let's roll out the back as well. I like to place it right under. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh. 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 Now the first stretch, we are doing our hips. We're getting into a lunge. Right leg first. And just really taking our time with this one. I like to put my right leg out to the side, outside of the mat a little bit, and if you are a pro, you can even go down to your elbows and kind of circle it out. Now let's stretch out our hamstrings. During this one, I like to walk my hands a little bit past where my toes and my foot ends, and then bring my forehead down to the knee as much as possible. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Do the same thing on the other side. That is my left leg. All right, now we're going into child's pose. Spread your knees out, toes touch, arms going straight, and we're putting our booty back, forehead on the ground. All right, now let's go into downward facing dog. Hips come up like someone's pulling you like a string. And try to touch the bottom of your feet to the mat. Pedal out the feet. You can really feel it in the back and the glutes, lower back. Now this next move, let's bring our feet in together. Right leg goes up and just move it in circles. Opposite direction. Left leg up. Same thing on this side. Other side. And now come back down. Let's do some cat-cows. Inhale, look up. Belly drops to the ground. Exhale. Come up. Inhale. Exhale. Feel free to play around in these poses, whatever kind of feels good. On the hips, this is called the dancing lion. Oh. Move your neck around. Oh. All right, let's come back. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming to my channel, Learn with Yuli. I hope you released some tension with me, and I can't wait to see you again.